Giuseppe Verdi was a well-known composer of opera. He composed the Italian opera Il Travatore in 1853. As in many operas, the story is a series of deception, various encounters, and love. The Anvil chorus depicts one scene of an encounter with a gypsy camp. A gypsy camp is full of a variety of people who are constantly on the move and work and play through the night.
We middle school students tend to have the same lifestyles. Relate the sounds of this piece to the teenager in your house as they sing on the top of their lungs, frantically doing work in their room and practicing to the sound of the Anvil metronome.